If you can understand English, but still can't speak it, you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not struggling because you lack vocabulary. You listen, you understand, you recognize the words. But when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. Or worse, you start translating word by word. And suddenly, what seemed simple becomes difficult. Speaking feels slow, unnatural, frustrating. But here is the truth. Understanding English is not the same as thinking in English. Most learners spend years training recognition, but never train production. And that changes everything. When you translate before speaking, your brain is working in two languages at once. One language to form the idea, and another to express it. That creates hesitation. That creates insecurity. And that destroys fluency. Fluency begins when translation ends. When your thoughts no longer wait for permission, your speech begins to flow naturally. In the previous video, we talked about stopping translation. Now you understand why this matters so much. This is not just about speaking faster. It is about training your mind to operate differently. To speak English naturally, you do not need more vocabulary lists. You need a new way of practicing. A way that teaches your brain to think directly in English. And once that begins, everything changes. If you have felt stuck for a long time, this may be the reason. And the best part is, you can change it. In the next video, I'll show you the biggest mistake English learners make and how to fix it. Welcome to Plus English, where language meets thought and learning becomes transformation.